Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 6th grade concept of writing problems from equations and inequalities. This is standard 6.9C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 24 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So we have a simple equation here. 10.75 equals 5.5 times n. When you see a number right next to a letter and there's no operation in between, you can always assume that is multiplication. So we need to find a problem situation that's going to match that equation that we have here. It is an equation because it has an equal sign. If it had a greater than or less than or greater than or equal to, that would be an inequality. So we have right here, Ricardo, let's look at F. Ricardo ran 5.5 miles. He ran each mile in 10.75 minutes. So what is N? The total. So that's going to give us our answer here. So we're looking for equals N. So we're looking for how many miles? 5.5. We're going to multiply that by how long it took, 10.75 per mile. So if he's wanting the total number of minutes to get that 5.5 miles, you would actually need to multiply those two because this is the mile and this is the time. And he wants to know how many minutes it took to run this many miles. So that's not going to work. We have the multiplication, but we're multiplying the 5.5 times the 10.75. We need to multiply the 5.5 times the n. So get G. Ricardo ran a total of 1075 miles on Monday. So we've got the word total. That's going to be another keyword there for us. And a total of 1075. So that's starting good here. So we'll start with it on the left, just like they do up here in our sample. 1075 equals. So he had 5.5 in the morning and then the rest in the evening. So look at what we're doing here. We're taking our 5.5. But rather than multiplying it by n, we're simply adding. 5.5, that's in the morning. This is the evening. If you put that together, you get the total for Monday. And so we're looking for n, the number of miles he ran in the evening. Well, you have to add the evening and the morning to get all of Monday. So this is an additive relationship, not a multiplicative relationship, which means it is not what we're looking for. Let's look at H. Ricardo ran a total of 1075, so total of 1075. Let's write that right here, 1075. He ran 5.5 miles each hour. And what is N, the number of hours that he ran? So that's looking a little bit better. So we've got 5.5 miles per hour. So we get each hour here, and that each hour or that per hour, that is typically going to be reserved for multiplication. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to multiply the number of hours. So this is his speed, 5.5, number of hours, n hours, and we're looking for the total of 10.75 miles. So that probably works. Let's double check our J just to make sure that is incorrect. So Ricardo ran 1075 in 1 week. And then 5.5 the next week. Yeah, so look, we're just adding these up. Because that's an additive relationship. 1075 1 week, 5.5 the next week. We're just going to add that up to find N, total number of hours that he ran in those 2 weeks. So that is an additive relationship. So that is going to be incorrect. And this is going to be our correct answer, H, because we are multiplying the number of miles he ran, 5.5, times the hours there, and that's going to get N. That is going to get us our answer of 1075.